So guys, so we just finished having a meal at Niyam Handi, and then we decided to take a stroll. Oh my god, the place is amazing. We actually even looking how to get to the Kiwi too, because we believe we are very close. So that's what we're doing right now. Now we're currently just standing on the road somewhere in Dubai waiting for the taxi to take us to the Kiwi 2. We don't know if you actually get taxi because we've been walking for more than 10 minutes and flagging taxis, but nothing yet. Now we are outside the Port police station in Dubai. We're still looking for taxi. There's nowhere to find taxi. I believe you have to have a taxi app if you want a taxi around this place. Nowhere. We've been walking for more than 25 minutes, still no taxi to be found. So here is the police station at the dry docks. Alright, so we go to the island. They say we should take third exit. So we're just going to see if we can find where the third exit is. God, the cars are so fast down here. I think we need to find a way to get to the other side of the road. The amount of work we did today, guys, it's more than ridiculous. I think it's the worst decision we ever made on this trip. They're having a nice meal. Hello, cruise terminal. Alright, so we're just approaching the cruise terminal 2, which is down there. But we're almost here, so we can't regret it now. So we're just finding our way to get there at least, so that we can see it, you know. I don't think we'll be coming back here, but we're here anyway, so let's see. I can see a sign that we're getting closer to the Kiwi 2, so I believe it's behind this big cruise ship. Hopefully we can get closer and see if we can even get in or get closer. Guys, we're finally here, but Jay is so pissed off. It's unbelievable because there's no way. We are currently on the building site, guys. There is no access like by foot. It's unbelievable. Hopefully we can get a taxi from here getting back to the hotel, because you can imagine not getting a taxi from here to the Palm. That would be crazy. You have to book a room here for half a night, I guess. Right, I think we might cross here, babe. Let's cross. And since we're here, at least let's get closer to see how the Kiwi 2 actually look like in reality. Oh, thank you. Wow.
Use e-gateway. There's an elevator inside. Inside the elevator, press U. There's a golden lion.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Wow. Finally, guys, this is the iconic Kiwi 2 hotel. Look at that, guys. I can't believe we're here. It's very dark, but We are here finally. Oh my god. Wow, look at the ship. Guys, look at the most popular, the iconic Kiwi 2 hotel. Are you excited? Huh? Look, the boat deck, the upper deck, the quarter deck, everything is there. Oh my god, we going in. Can you believe that? We are going in. Look at the ship. Guys, we are going in. I'm so excited right now. This is history, guys. I'm on the ship. I'm on the Kiwi 2, guys. We are on the Kiwi 2. Look at that. This is Kiwi 2, guys. Wow. Oh my god. This is happening. This is pretty unique. I'm quite excited that we walk 35 minutes to get here. This is pretty cool. It feels like you're on the water. Oh my god. We have no idea where to go. Look at the ducks. Wow. Guys, it feels like it's a deserted boat, you know. It's very, very quiet. You know. That's outside the boat. That's outside. Wow. Well, since we're here, let's have a little walk. So we can, yeah, in the ground lounge. The ground lounge, let me see. These are the, babe, there's a ground lounge here. Wow. This is where they do the amazing dinner and everything. It look very, very dingy, but wow, look at that. I can't believe, guys. Can you see that? That's a Kiwi 2. Look at that. Can't believe this is a dream. Queen Elizabeth II. I'm just going to so now I've washed myself in a Kiwi 2. Now we're going to get a drink in a Kiwi 2. Yeah, so now we're going to get a drink in a Kiwi 2. History. Let's make it. Hello.
Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm very, very good. Wow. We're in the bar of the Kiwi 2. Hello. Wow, you have everything. You have Stella, you have Heineken. Wow, nice. Let me ask my wife what she needs. Wow, that's very nice. Maybe they have everything. Have the best cocktail. Alright, so we finally got here and sit. You know, we are sitting in the Kiwi 2. Can you believe? It feel like I'm an English pub, you know. Ordered a pint of Heineken and a sparkling wine. Amazing though. It feels special to be on a world famous ship. I mean, Queen Elizabeth too, you know. It's quite unique to be here. So guys, we finished our drink. Guess what? 2 drink cost 85 dirhams. I ordered a pint of Heineken and Jay ordered sparkling wine. It costs 85 dirhams. That's about 20 pounds. It's like a pub, an English pub, and it's Kiwi 2, you know. Kiwi 2, 85 dirhams. We out of the Kiwi 2. Side of the beautiful ship, Kiwi 2. And behind me, that's the main ship. Let me go further so you can see all the way from the back. Yeah. Yeah. It's so beautiful. We were there yesterday for the light show. Burj Khalifa. My favorite moment when we threw here.
Oh, where you see it's really
It's so beautiful. Wow. So guys, we just got home and we were surprised by the amazing balloon in the back. Guys, it's been amazing so far. The day's been amazing. We had some amazing food, and then we went to the Kiwi 2 as well, guys. The whole experience is amazing. So I'll speak to you tomorrow, and if we didn't speak to you tomorrow, then that means I'll speak to you in the next vlog. Thank you so much. Take it easy.